Hello, in this video, I'll show you how to download and start video repair tool for Mac. First, scroll down on the website and click on the download button to download the software. The downloaded zip file will extract automatically into a new folder. Click on the icon to go into this folder. On newer macOS versions it will complain that the app cannot be opened. In this case, right-click on the file Mac Start and choose Open with Terminal. The software will start and you can choose your language. Thanks for watching and good luck with your video repairs.